Hey y'all, it's your girl, Simply Me, Miss E. And thank you for watching and tuning in. If you are new, please, welcome. Please like this video, share this video, and please don't you forget to subscribe. If you are not new, thank you for joining. So today, we are doing fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken. Who don't love fried chicken? So you guys, I'm gonna show y'all how I fry chicken in my house. So please stay tuned and enjoy the show. All purpose. And y'all, when it comes to seasoning, like I said in my other videos, I'm not good with measurements. It's pretty much to your liking. You kind of know how much garlic you want, how much onion you want, how much black pepper, and so and so. So just do it that way. Also, that was onion powder, and then I just did garlic powder. Now I'm doing black pepper. I'm getting low on black pepper. I gotta get some more. I'm gonna use all this. Then we got that cayenne. You know you can't forget about the cayenne. Getting low on cayenne too. See, I'm getting low on the stuff I use a lot. Cayenne, red pepper, black pepper. And then that red pepper, y'all. I told y'all. Red pepper, cayenne pepper. I love spice. And this is going to be fried chicken. So definitely got to have the seasoning right. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is mix it. I'm gonna use my hands. I know in different videos I don't see people want to talk about people using their hands. I want to use my hands. My hands is clean, but this is my house. So, but my hands are clean. Just a tip. I did clean the wings before I started this video, so I did clean them. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this. Now you have to add a little bit more seasoning. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna add a little bit of a little bit more garlic powder. Well, this is all purpose, excuse me. A little bit more all purpose. Red pepper. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of everything that I added, y'all. Except for the black pepper, because I did run out of that. So, fried chicken is a good dish of mine. So I love it. I love it. It's really easy. It's not rocket science to fry chicken. Just make sure it's seasoned right. Make sure it's seasoned right. You can either use flour or you can use whatever seasoning flour you want to use. So it's pretty much up to you, but gotta just make sure that chicken is seasoned good. So y'all, it's looking good. So just so y'all can see, chicken is seasoned. Chicken is seasoned. Okay, y'all, so now that our chicken is seasoned, looking good, delicious, we're gonna go ahead and prepare it to get in the flour. So y'all, I like to use Zatarain's chicken fried mix. This mix is so good. It has the perfect blend of spice. So make sure, if y'all never tried this, please try it. This is what I use on my chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and start coating the chicken, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so now I have my bag with the seasoning. y'all see. So I have my bag with the seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of wings in here so we can go ahead and get this thing frying. We have our meat in the seasoning. Go ahead and shake it up. Make sure this is fully coated. And it is just like how we want. Let me make sure y'all can see this. So it is fully coated just like how we want. So we're gonna go ahead and lay the chicken in that hot grease. So I know some people may use this, or you can just go ahead and put it in your deep fryer straight. It's your preference. Okay, guys. So I'm going to use my basket. I know sometimes if you're using a basket, you're not able to put as many pieces, but I'm going to use it today. Like I got 4 in here now. Let me see if I can get one more in here. I may can get one more. Yeah. Okay. So you guys, we now have the chicken set in the basket. So we're gonna go ahead and get it in the deep fryer. So I got my oil set on 400. And we're just gonna let that fry till it's golden brown. That should probably be about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so our chicken is pretty much done. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes. And you know, for me, I let my chicken cook hard. This is looking so good. So delicious, y'all. So I got a couple more batches to cook. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I am back. So my chicken is done. As you can see, it is golden, crispy brown, just like I like it. So please, y'all, please make sure you guys, please share this video. Please like the video, and you can't forget to subscribe. So this is a pretty simple meal. We're gonna have fries with it. So y'all enjoy y'all evening, and thank you for watching.